PTC's world-class AR experiences improve safety, productivity, and compliance, even for companies without CAD data. In this video, we'll take the perspective of BigCo Service, a fictional service provider without access to product CAD data, whose existing paper-based field service inspections have been slow, inaccurate, and allowing marginal failures to pass due to poor evidence capture. But with PTC's AR technology, RealWear's assisted reality headset, and ServiceMax's field service management solution, BigCo can digitize their inspection process to provide world-class service for their global fleet of home and industrial generators. ServiceMax helps BigCo optimize service efficiency from their high-value inspections. BigCo can dynamically create and manage their work orders, optimize their work schedules, and manage field technician dispatches. With a link to an asset-specific inspection created in the ServiceMax work order, BigCo field technicians can use their RealWear headset with the ServiceMax Go app and Vuforia to launch the correct procedure. RealWear inspections are entirely hands-free. Technicians are guided through the procedures and can report their findings with voice commands, like pass for a compliant step. At any step in the inspection, they can simply say more to access additional guidance from images and schematics to audio and video media. They can also say fail when a step isn't compliant. To enrich their inspection reports, they can also use their RealWear headset to capture evidence along the way, like notes, images, and more. By saying details, they can add notes, or photo 1 to add an image. And with a connection to a parts management solution, they can even find and add parts and service kits. To improve the procedure or any of its content, technicians can easily alert their service department, who can edit the experience in-house. With its hot swappable long-life battery, lightweight design, noise suppression, and IP66 rating, the RealWear headset is built for rugged, industrial environments and all-day, hands-free use. When the inspection is complete, the work order updates automatically in the integrated ServiceMax system, so BigCo's technicians can include this evidence in the end customer quote, log it for compliance and audit, and focus on their next task without wasting time on documentation or uploading content to other systems. Deploying Vuforia and RealWear solutions together for field service inspection has yielded tangible results for our customers. Easier, better guided, and more consistent inspections have led to a 25% reduction in inspection cycle time, and real-time evidence capture has optimized the inspection process, from defect identification to customer notification. This has resulted in better maintained assets that operate more reliably and efficiently, and has led to a 50% increase in parts and service revenue for the service organization. Through integration with ServiceMax, these benefits and others are expected to further improve with streamlined field service management. Deployed to hundreds of workers operating 8-hour shifts, 5 days per week, this easy-to-use field service solution has helped workforces embrace technology, driving more effective and efficient service operations.